Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new YouTube 1 million subscriber gold play button. Now I'm also going to give y'all the details for my next big stream giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Now I'm going to try to make this quick. I'm going to try not to get all emotional and shit, but I've been drinking Hennessy, so it is what it is. Bear with me. Alright, so I would like to dedicate this award to two people. Now the first person is actually not one person, it's a whole group of people, and that group of people is all of y'all. So from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you to everybody that's been subscribed to my channel for the last 10 years, everybody that watches the videos, likes the videos, comments on the videos, shares the videos, even y'all haters, no hard feelings. Alright, without y'all, this channel wouldn't be nothing. So I'm dedicating this award to all of y'all. This ain't about me, it's about us. We did this shit together. Now the second person I want to dedicate this award to, and this is some real shit, is my dad. Alright, I want to give a special thank you to my dad for giving me my motivation, being my biggest fan, keeping me hyped up, and bringing me back to life when I was in the sunken place. Alright, now quick story. A lot of y'all probably don't know this about me, but about 15 years ago, somebody tried to kill me. Alright, now I wasn't gang banging, I wasn't selling drugs, I wasn't doing nothing crazy, just happened to be in the wrong place at the wrong time. Alright, now I went through a bunch of surgeries, I was in a coma, I was all fucked up. When I came out the hospital, I slipped into a state of depression. Now on a side note, a lot of y'all might not think so, but depression is real, man. It's a real thing. Doesn't matter how much money you got, how famous you are, who you dating, anybody can slip into that sunken place. And that's where I was at. I was in a state of depression. Now I was talking to my moms every day, talking to therapists, trying to snap out of it. I just couldn't snap out of it. My daughter wasn't even a year old. I just thought the whole shit was over. I wasn't thinking about killing myself. I was just straight up paranoid. I was angry. I was mad. I just went through a whole emotional roller coaster. I really couldn't snap out of it. And one day, my pops out of the blue gave me some tough love. And I swear to God, I'll never forget this. I was laying up in my bed. It's the summertime. It's the end of May. I'm in the bed, curled up in the fetal position under the blanket. I can hear outside my window the ice cream truck, all of the kids running around playing, everybody's outside barbecuing. I just couldn't get up out the bed. My pops came through, knocked on my door. I'm like, yo, who is it? Come in. My pops opened the door and he stood right over my bed. He said this: yo, get your ass up and get back in the game. I ain't raised no little punk. You sitting around here crying and acting all silly. There's people that got the same injuries as you that can't walk anymore, or people that didn't even make it, they died. You still here, you still alive, get your ass up and get back in the game. That's it, just that simple, and he kept it moving. Now I laid in the bed for maybe another couple of hours, and it just hit me. I was like, you know what, he's right, let me get up out the bed. I called my man Hollywood on the phone, and he could co-sign this. I called him on the phone, I said, Hollywood, meet me at the gym in a half an hour. Now at this time, I still couldn't even walk right. I had a cane. I just got all the staples taken out of my stomach. I had about 50 staples in the stomach, 50 staples in the leg. I was all messed up. I went to the gym with a cane. I walked in the gym and everybody was surprised to see me, like, what you doing here? You shouldn't even be out the bed. I was like, nah, I gotta try to get through this shit. I went to the dip bar. I did 10 dips. It almost killed me. I rested for 30 minutes, did another 10 dips, rested for another 30 minutes, and I repeated that process until I did 50 dips. Now, they ain't really do nothing for me physically, but it did a lot for me mentally. So I want to say thank you to my dad for bringing me back to life. With that being said, I know I'm trying not to get emotional. Let's do this, all right? Let's do this. YouTube gold play button. Shout out to the Tiger Tooth. Here we go. Rah. On the side note, White Shoes got the day off, so we're going to do this alone. Here we go. Now, of course, I gotta say thank you to all my friends and my family, my daughter, and everybody else too. And another big thank you to White Shoes. White Shoes is an intricate part of this channel. You know how she do. White Shoes is for you too. Here we go. Okay, so let's pop this open. Let's see what you get. All right, so we got a little card right here. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Shout out to Rick. If your award is damaged, blah, blah, blah. Rick, good looking on this one. So we got a little letter. Y'all want to read this? Why not? You're bigger than Vancouver. You're bigger than Venice. You're even bigger than Las Vegas. Now, I don't know if I'm that big, but I'll take it. 1 million subscribers. Maybe you've imagined that day for a long time, or maybe you never thought you'd grow so big. Either way, not much can match the satisfaction of finding out your creativity, your ideas, that your voice speaks to 1 million people across the globe. I respect that. I'm getting choked up. All right, let's see. We know that being able to touch the lives of so many people is reward enough, but we're incredibly proud of all you've done, so we hope you'll accept this Gold Creator Award as a token of our esteem. I hate reading out loud, but I'm trying to bend through it. Let's see, with your track record, we suspect that you're only going to keep growing, and we can't wait to see you reach your next milestone, 10 million subscribers. It may seem far away, but remember the days when you were psyched to just have 1,000. You've amazed us. Keep daring, keep dreaming big, and keep creating. You're the inspiration for everything we do. Sincerely, Susan Wakoji. I don't even want to try the last name, but Susan, CEO of YouTube, I respect that. All right, shout out to Susan. And this is it. All right, this is it. Now, this is different from the last ones. Let's see what it is. Y'all remember the last ones used to come in a glass frame? I suspect that they stopped doing that because a lot of people's glass frames got broke in the shipping. Look at this. Ooh, this is beautiful. All right, this is pretty beautiful. On the front, presented to Flossie Carter for passing 1 million subscribers, YouTube. All right, let's see on the back, little felt material. We're gonna hang this up somewhere nice. That gold play button looking like a mirror right now. Y'all see me in the background, getting all choked up. It is what it is. Now I can't get, hold up, I got OCD. One little piece of foam. Didn't want to, oh, check this out. Okay, some poison. YouTube providing the poison for the next barbecue. All right, so here it is. 1 million subscriber gold play button. Like I said, thank you to everybody that subscribed to my channel. This is all about us. Matter of fact, let's have a little shot. White shoes, wherever you at, calm down. Woo. All right. Now, let me give y'all the details for my next big stream giveaway. Let me pull up those products real quick. All right, so this Sunday night, I'm doing a giveaway during my live stream, and I'm giving away 5 products. Now, on a side note, I'm gonna start doing giveaways on all of my live streams. Now, if you watch my channel, you should already know one thing. I never ask anybody to subscribe to my channel. I never ask anybody to like the videos. I never ask anybody to share the videos. If you want to enter this contest, all you got to do is one thing: leave a comment. And let me show you how we're going to work this. All right, so I got 5 prizes. Here's the first one. I'm giving away a brand new set of Elzey Ear Truly Wireless Earphones. Now, if you watch my video I did for these, you already know these are sick. If you want to win these, go to my Elzey Ear video and leave a comment, #PickMe. Now, 1 entry per account. You can enter from all your troll accounts, do what you do, but 1 entry per account, #PickMe. Sunday night, I'm gonna go to that video, breeze through all of the comments, and pick somebody to win a brand new set of Elzey ears. Now, the next prize I'm giving away is a brand new set of AirPods. Same thing. If you want to win these, go to my AirPods video, the last one I did, put #PickMe. 1 entry per account. Use your troll accounts if you want to spam. Do what you do. Now, check this out. I don't have this product on me right now. It's actually upstairs, but I'm giving away 2. All right, not 1, 2. 2 speaker backpacks. Now go watch that speaker backpack video. That bag is so sick. That's my new Bike Life bag. Shout out to my homies over at Stealth Labs. They told me they're gonna sponsor me for 2 bags. All right, so do the same thing. Go to that speaker bag video, #PickMe. All right, Sunday night, I'm gonna have them pick 2 people and ship them out to your crib. All right, 2 speaker backpacks. And I got one more giveaway we'll do at the end of the night. I'm giving away a brand new BlackBerry Key 2 LE. Sealed up, brand new in the box. All right, now I haven't made a video for this. I'm gonna pick the winner live Sunday night. All right, so Sunday night, make sure you're in that stream. Somebody's gonna walk away with a BlackBerry Key 2 LE. Now, as of right now, that's 5 prizes that I'm giving away, but y'all already know how I do. Once I start getting drunk, who knows? All right, whatever I got laying around, if you want it, hit me up. We're gonna celebrate this hardcore. Anyway, this is the YouTube 1 million subscriber gold play button. Like I said, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank all of y'all for making this possible. And like I said again, this is not for me. This is for all of us. All right, so let's all sit back and enjoy this shit. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if y'all got any questions. Alright, so one more thing I wanted to mention. Let me show you what I got coming up this week. Now, like I said in a different video, it's officially springtime. It's time to start working out again. I actually joined the 30-day challenge yesterday, so I want to focus on the rest of these truly wireless earbuds. So here's what we got on deck. We got the Xiaomi Air Dots. All right, we're going to take a look at those. We got the JBL Freeze. We got the JLab J-Bud Airs. We got the Anker Soundcore Liberty Ears. Now, I've been getting a lot of requests to do a dedicated video on these. So we got the Jabra Elite Active 65T. Now, I already know these sound sick, but I'll do a dedicated video. Now look at these. We got the JLab Epic Airs. Look at the shape of these. Now, depending on how these sound, these might be my new Bike Life earbuds. And of course, I got the #1 requested earbuds. They took me a long time to get, but we got the RHA True Connects. Now, if there's anything specific y'all want to see, hit me up in the comments. We focusing on truly wireless earbuds for this month. Let's go. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossie_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossie Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossie Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.